You can do takeaway.
What?
You can do takeaway too with fingers.
So 5, 2. Okay, cool. So I have 5, you have 2.
Show me how you do it.
So that makes 6, 7. Which is good then. Okay. 2. What's 5 plus 2? 5. And 6. 7.
Yay!
I'm gonna do the rest. So now that and minus 1. No.
It's the right letter. Yeah.
Which number does not have actually a number? L. No. It's not a letter, it's a number. Without a number. Oh. Well, it is but zero.
Good.
Yay! Now I'm doing homework. Yep, you're helping me. Okay. Mommy?
Yeah.
I said telephone backwards.
I guess that was Daddy. He's the one that puts it on backwards.
Yeah.